Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to take a quick look at a 2020 Voorwood A26 dual spindle coping shaper. As the machine currently sits, you do have a 36-inch width capacity. In a couple of minutes, I'm going to show you how to remove either the right or the left. That's right, you can remove either side, open one of those sides up, and do endless copes or tenons. You do have a replaceable backer right here to avoid blowouts. I am going to start each spindle. These spindles are 7.5 horsepower. Those spindles are running at 6,100 RPM. To cycle this machine, you hit both clamp buttons at the same time. It's going to clamp your material and cycle the sled. This machine is capable of up to 11 parts per minute. That's a part every 5.5 seconds. If you open both of the spindle covers up, and if you lower the spindles, and if you hit both of your lower stop clamp buttons, that is going to release your tooling on these quick change spindles. So again, these are quick change spindles, and by just hitting both of those buttons, that's going to enable you to release your tooling. Those spindles are 1.25 inches in diameter. They are 2.5 inches tall and have 4.25 inches of vertical travel. You do have numeric readouts on both of your fences and both of your spindles. Obviously, the right and left sides are mirror image of each other. So again, there's your numeric readouts. Again, what's special about this machine is if we come in and loosen either of your fence plates, and again, you can do this to either side. It does not have to be right, it does not have to be left. We just want to loosen it. And these are really beefy fences too, but they're not too hard to remove. And if we remove your guard, and look how fast this releases. So again, this is being shot in real time. What we've done is we've cleared one side. We're gonna come in with a wrench, and this is what takes all of your time, is you are going to lower one of your spindles. Obviously the spindle that's open. Now when you lower the spindle, it's gonna hit a proximity switch and it's gonna lock that spindle out. As you can see, I cannot turn that spindle on. However, I have now the machine is open-sided, so what that's gonna allow me to do is take an 8-foot board like this, take it, slide it into the machine. I can now clamp it, and as you can see, you can now do basically an endless cope. So you can do long copes and or tenons on this machine. And you're gonna do it the same way. You're gonna start just that left spindle. You're gonna cycle your machine. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.